Hello. First of all, I I want to thank Marco Repairs. Those very nice full videos, and I'm my fridge. There you can see there's a couple of what they call this Pasivihara knows this juice omena, rainbow omena. It's very expensive, you know. I I should avoid that. This is nauta sika, nauta luomusika, nauta, not pig, just luomu. All right. But the Wilhelm, what the fuck is that? Let's have a check it out. The real chili paprika sauces. I don't really know, but how this is in Spanish. No. This refrigerator is there is milk and. What is that? What the fuck? This egg. Formaggio. Alright, this is awesome. I like this. But this is my freezer. No. This is very similar. There's my spoon. Check this out, motherfuckers. This is very nasty because it's dirty. Dirty spoon. Yuck. I don't like dirty spoon. I have to wash my finished fresh water, you know, and I'm gonna spoon my washes really half, because my other half is in this camera actions, you know what I'm saying. But what I'm gonna do, this is not a joke, but this is real English, what I have spoken many years. This is nobody English understand that, because I'm so very bad. But check this out. I don't know, you don't like this, but I love it, because this is the first radio. But we have to check this shit out. This is a brand new, very bad mark. Very bad. I don't like this. Those kind of what coffee? No coffee. No coffee. I just drink beer and I drink beer and booze. What is but is alright. This is and that's make me laugh. And other videos, the two scissors, two knives. I like it, and scissors. I don't know really, but you can cut your own penis with that. I would like to show, but this is bullshit. All right.